Once upon a time, one hot summer day, there was a crow. It was flying towards home. Its home was little far. Due to long fly, it began to felt thirsty. When it felt much thirsty, it thought to drink water first, before continue its journey to home. It flew here and there in search of water, but it couldn't find any water. At last it went to a garden, where the crow found a pitcher with a little water in it. But the pitcher was high and had a narrow neck, and no matter how he tried, the crow could not reach the water. The poor thing felt as if he must die of thirst. Then an idea came to him. There were little pebbles beside the pitcher. Picking up some small pebbles, he dropped them into the pitcher, one by one. With each pebble, the water rose a little higher until at last it was near enough so he could drink. It drank water and flew away.